Hello everyone. In this video I will talk about the second type for relation between any two circles, which is tangent circles. What do you mean about tangent circles? It is mean that you have two circles and التقوا have one point of intersection. التقوا على بنقطة واحدة. Okay? So, in this case, in this type, you have two cases. The first case is externally tangent circles. The property for this case is OO prime equal R plus R prime. OO prime is the distance between the centers, and R is the radius for the first circle, and R prime is the radius for the second circle. So let's take example. You have the first circle have center O and radius 3 centimeter, and the second circle C prime have center O prime and radius 2 centimeter. And you have also OO prime, the distance between centers, between this the center of this circle, the first circle, and the center of the second one is 5 centimeter. So I am already draw the first circle. The first step is to draw the circle that have the large radius. يعني أول step لازم إنه نرسم السيركل اللي عندها أكبر radius. Okay, so I draw 3 centimeter. Then I open the compass at 3 centimeter as radius. Then I put the needle at center and then I draw it. So, second step is to draw the OO prime, which is 5 centimeters. So I draw it 5 centimeter. Then I open the compass at 2 centimeter as radius for the second circle. Then I put the needle at the center, the second center, and then I draw it. Okay. زي ما احنا ملاحظين انه هيدول التو سيركلز التقوا على in one point. اوكي التقوا يعني هي الالتقاء تاعت هيدي السيركل مع السيركل الثاني at one point. اوكي so we call this the type for the relation between these two circles C and C prime is externally tangent circles. Why it is externally؟ لأنه هيدي السيركل الأول، السيركل الأولانية هي مع السيركل الثاني هن بريت بعض، يعني السيركل الثاني هي بريت السيركل الأولى. تمام؟ It's outside from the first circle. And these two circles are joined, intersect at one point, so I called it tangent. So it is externally tangent circles. إذا ما كان عنا drawing لحتى نقدر نميز شو هي الكيس اللي عنا إياها، إذا كان عنا calculation كيف بدنا نطبق هيدا الشيء لحتى نعرف أي كيس وأي type. First you have to calculate the R minus R prime. Okay, you have first step is to calculate R minus R prime. R is 3, so 3 minus 2 is 1 centimeter. The second step is to calculate R plus R prime. So 3 plus 2 is 5 centimeter. Then you have to, you should to compare these quantities by greater than, less than, or equal. For what? يعني بدنا نقارنهم لل R minus R prime و R plus R prime مع ال OO prime. Okay? So as you see منلاحظ إنه الخمسة هي نفسها ال OO prime. So as comparison you have 5 equal to 5. So what is 5? It's R plus R prime equal to what? 5. 5 it's what? OO prime. So I put OO prime. بعدين بسأل حالي هيدي البروبرتي لأي property؟ Two externally tangent circles. So I conclude that these two circles are externally، أنا بستنتج إنه هيدول two circles are externally tangent circles. أنا حسب البروبرتي اللي طلعت من الكالكوليشن استنتجت إن هي external tangent circles. Okay, so let's talk about the second case, which is internally tangent circles. The property for this case is OO prime equal to R minus R prime. As you see in the externally is plus, it's equal to plus R plus R prime, but here you have R minus R prime. So let's take the example. As you see, I draw the first circle. I take the circle that have I draw the first the circle that have large radius, which is 4 centimeter for the first for the first circle. Okay. Have center O and radius 4 centimeter. I open the compass at 4 centimeter and I put the needle at center and then I draw it. Okay, so the second step is to draw the OO prime. OO prime, as you see in the example, I have 1 centimeter, so I draw 1 centimeter. This is O prime. Okay, this is O prime. So the third step is to draw the second circle. كيف بدنا نرسم تاني circle؟ بدي افتح الكومباس open the compass at 3 centimeter at 3 centimeter. Okay, then I put the needle at the center, the second center, and then I draw the second circle as you see. Okay, so زي ما أنا بلاحظ إنه التقوا at one point. There is one point of intersection between these two circles. Okay, this is C prime. So as you conclude for this من هيدي الرسمة أنا بنستنتج إنه هيدي السيركل الثاني هي inside السيركل الأولانية، يعني هي جواتها. لما يكونوا ال two circles جوات بعض، يعني الأولى بجوات الثاني أو الثاني بجوات الأولى، هيك بيكون إحنا استنتجنا إن هي internally. كيف أنا بستنتج إن هي tangent؟ لأنه عندي one point of intersection. Okay, I have one point of intersection, so it is tangent, and the second circle is inside the first circle, so I conclude that it is internally. So it is internally tangent circles. بالنسبة إذا ما كان عندي هيدول كرمال إنه أنا ميزها للكيس أو للتايب بالرسمة، بدنا من خلال الكالكوليشن. كيف؟ نطبق البروبرتي. أول شيء زي ما عملنا بالإكسترنالي tangent circles، لازم أول step R minus R prime، الثاني هي R plus R prime، then I comparison between them, between these two steps مع ال OO prime. Okay, so I will do the same steps. The first step is to calculate R minus R prime. So 4 minus 3 centimeter is 1 centimeter, and R plus R prime is 4 plus 3, it is 7 centimeter. So بس أنا لما أشوف عندي 1 سنتيمتر و 7 سنتيمتر وعندي ال OO prime هي 1 سنتيمتر, so I conclude that R minus R prime is equal to OO prime. So I have 1 centimeter equal to 1 centimeter. What is 1 centimeter? من هي ال 1 centimeter؟ هي ال R minus R prime. هي equal لمين؟ ال 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter as given من هي ال OO prime اللي هي distance between between centers. Okay, so when I get this property from what? From internally tangent circles. هيدي البروبرتي لمن عايدة تابعة للinternally tangent circles. So I conclude that these two circles are internally tangent circles. Okay, and this is for today. See you for the next video.